Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. Here's that TV I had on an earlier video. This is a Sylvania, slightly damaged, older model flat screen TV. I want to call that flat, probably 4 or 5 inches across. Not sure what model it is, don't really care. I took the screws off the back, just thought I'd show you what's inside. It's to get it apart. So, with no further ado, what do you spell ado? A gun? You know how to get my camera stay focused so you can all see the miraculous way I get these apart. You can see, there it is, and there it goes. There, as I said, slight persuasion. Take the cover off. There's the speaker. Let's see what I wanted off the back. I thought I had all the screws off, but perhaps not. I don't know if these things are screws hidden anywhere. Especially with the better brands, Sylvanias, Sonys. Not so much with the crappy ones. They probably have 1 or 2 screws trying to hold the whole thing together. Here comes the cover. Let's see, what do we got here? On the big screwless. Holding the phone in one hand, working with the other. There we go. As you can see, this is all scrap metal. Nice pile of scrap. I got a couple circuit boards, a couple transformers, copper in there, as you can see. Copper in there. Look over there, you have copper in there, copper in there, copper in there, copper in there, copper in there. Aluminum, 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 aluminum. And what else do we have in these wondrous pieces of modern marvels? Pieces of something else. Like bone. I hardly even watch TV. The only TV I seem to watch is on my phone. A little fuse in there. Might take that, might not. Need fuses at the moment. I've needed fuses for years. Don't do anything with electronics. I need fuses. Four little piles of wonder. 1, 2, 3, 4 little piles of copper. Little copper spools. Oh, they're so beautiful. But, as I said, I had this slightly damaged. I think it's still slightly damaged, as you can see, because somebody kicked it. I know it's not from the cat jumping out of it. There's your screen, multiple screens. Screen inside of a screen, inside of a screen. I get all the screens out, save the frame, scrap that, take the boards out, scrap the boards. Couple cords, couple wires, couple wiring harnesses. That should be it. This wonderful piece of junk. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. Bye-bye.